이 그간 신놈 Down on Rebecca Up around Rebecca All around Rebecca Down on Travessa da Rebeca Walking Macau Up and down and around Taper Up and down and around Travessa da Rebeca
Okay, this is called Rebeca Lane, Travessa de Rebeca. It's actually not much of a lane, but we're gonna just capture it anyways because I kind of want to capture all the different corners of Macau and what they look like. So I'm gonna give you some context of what's all around Rebeca Lane, including slightly into this little firecracker museum, and then around the corner there's going to be another thing right on the other side of this, and that one is going to be you can see Carmel Church up at the top. But that one up there will be, I'll tell you all about it in a moment. So, but it's like artwork. Okay, stay tuned. And we're gonna put this up on the map so you can see exactly where Travessa de Rebeca is. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. So, to capture this one, we're gonna go slightly around. We do have some nice artwork right in here. And then right around the corner, we're gonna capture this one too. Some nice blue building. And then this one's actually called Travessa de Boa Vista. So this is the one with some of the nice artwork. And right there on the stairwell, you can see it. So this, like from the distance, you can see these buildings right here. So they look like they're like part of the landscape. And then our Travessa de Rebeca is right on the other side. So, okay. So let's go back to Travessa de Rebeca. And then we're going to, let's see, let's come over like this. So that was our little lane, but I also want to come over into here. Oh, it's closed today. So this is actually a little bit of a museum, so I guess we'll just go right up to the gate and just kind of see. But yeah, this is actually the Firecracker Museum. Looks like it's closed today. But basically what they have is these little buildings, they all had little spaces, and sometimes they'll have music and different stuff in there. It looks like it's not going on today. So I don't know why. That's part of it as well over there. And our little Travessa de Rebeca is so small that it's right here. And I don't even know if that street used to come up into something before. And then this one I've been seeing lots of changes. Now it's a Japanese restaurant. It was a coffee shop for a little while, but it's a beautiful building. I don't even know what to film. This is all kind of new right here as well. I was kind of interested in that, but that we'll come over to that. But that one is part of the Firecracker Museum. That Firecracker Museum is a series of buildings, maybe at least a dozen, at least 12 or 15. And inside the museum, when it's open, they'll be into little pieces, like they'll have, this is where the wickers were made, this is where they did this is where they, and there was some kind of a little waterway in there too, so they could bring it right from the factory right to the to shipping. So, and this right here is all new. This wasn't here even a few years ago, but we're gonna walk into that a little bit. It's also part of the Firecracker Museum right there. Fabrica in Portuguese and Chinese. So let's go up this way a little bit. Okay. So anyways, there's some more stuff here, some concrete structures but they basically rebuilt all of this. They went through and kind of cleaned it up, and now it looks quite a bit different. Now we're going to come out to Supico Street, and I think I'm going to just tie this Rebeca Street into the part that we kind of missed, which was this park behind us. And I haven't been up here in a little bit of a while myself either, so let's just see. So this is all behind it. It's kind of interesting. You can see this old, this is there's like a parks all the way through this area right here, but this right here I think is new. This is what I'm walking on, and this will come up to Rebeca, the back side of it. I mean, pretty sure this is new too, this little space right here. And then yeah, we're basically overlooking Rebeca from this angle. Rebeca Lane. And I guess what I'll do is we'll just come behind Rebeca, then that will come to a conclusion. I think we might even go back to that Boa Vista one. I think that's what I'm gonna do. It's very photogenic and beautiful. Actually, this looks brand new. Like this, there's a few small scratches, but for the most part, it looks very, very new. So Rebeca was where that building was at. They got the Christmas gear out already. It's mid-November, November 20, I think, almost today's date. So anyways, I feel like I should conclude over by the Carmel Church. So this will kind of give some more fuller context. So when I started the video, I started over by that yellow building right there, and then I kind of came over here to this Boa Vista, and then on the sidewalk here, just from the distance we could see some of it, but you can see, you kind of see it a little bit there, but you can see all the paint right there. And then the further you go down, the more you can see. And if you're from way down below, you have that angle. There's even a cat right there too. Anyways, I'm going to come up to the Carmel Church, then I'm going to end it. So this was a slice of Taipa near Rebeca Lane was our focus. And then we're gonna come over to the Carmel Church, and then also to that view over there. Let's come down this way first, and then we'll conclude the video. So let's go up these steps. They should paint these steps too. And that's the church right there. It says 140. And then these are the Carmel stairs. Casada do Carmel. Also very photogenic. Galaxy Casinos way in the distance. It says Galaxy in green and white. That's the Carmel Church. And then we're gonna end our video over here by the stairs, overlooking all the casinos. Carmel Church. It's also an incline way up there in the hills. But we're gonna look down first. You get the type of museum houses right there. You have the casinos in the distance. You have Venetian, Londoner, City of Dreams, Morpheus, all of those. And then over there is the type of centro, kind of where all the residential downtown buildings and such are at. And then straight right there you have this is incline, so you can actually take the incline and go all the way up. Get some really good views up there as well. So yeah, it's really nice. And our starting spot was basically right over there. And I guess we're gonna end over here. This type of municipal garden right there. Huh. Don't think I've Luis Camois is in this park. We'll just end it on his image. I guess he's up in here. Oh, there he is. Huh. Well, I guess, you know, the Rebeca lane was quite small, and I didn't quite expect to be going up here, but since I captured it on video, I think I will. Huh. And we'll try to catch the view up here too. Oh, there's a pigeon on his head. There we go. Huh. It's funny. There's a comedian that made a joke about how when you get memorialized in a statue, you have pigeons droppings on your head. Huh. Okay, well, we'll end it right here.
All around Rebecca, down on Travessa.